Dating can be a thrilling, yet nerve-wracking experience. It's a chance to get to know someone new, see where things go, and potentially find true love. But it can also be intimidating, especially in the early stages. As a woman, it's important to remember that you are in control of your own dating experience. You get to decide what you want, what you don't want, and how you want to go about things. With that in mind, here are 7 tips for navigating the early stages of dating. 1. Focus on getting to know each other stage. One mistake that many people make in the early stages of dating is seeing multiple people at the same time. While it's great to keep your options open, it can also be overwhelming and confusing. That's why it's a good idea to have a date-only policy at the beginning. This means that you only go out with one person at a time, and you don't pursue anyone else until things with the first person don't work out. This helps to keep things simple and allows you to focus on getting to know one person at a time. 2. There's nothing wrong if you buy the snacks. When it comes to dating, there's no need to play games or follow rigid gender roles. If you want to take control and make things happen, go for it. A simple, yet effective way to do this is by buying the snacks for your date. Whether it's ice cream, popcorn, or a bottle of wine, bringing something to share can be a thoughtful and practical gesture. Plus, it shows that you're willing to invest in the date and make it a success. 3. Get excited about the little things. Dating can be stressful, especially when you're trying to make a good impression. But sometimes, it's the little things that matter most. Instead of stressing out about what to say or do, try to focus on the present moment and enjoy the experience. This could be as simple as taking a walk in a beautiful park, trying a new restaurant, or having a deep conversation. The key is to stay open and curious, and to appreciate the little things that make each date unique. 4. The magic of voice. In today's digital age, it's easy to rely on texting and social media as the main form of communication. But when it comes to dating, it's important to be a grown-up to dial or pick up the phone. Hearing someone's voice can give you a better sense of who they are and how they feel. It's also more personal and shows that you're willing to put in the effort to connect. So next time you're texting back and forth, try calling instead and see where the conversation takes you. 5. Be bold and honest with your thoughts. Dating is about getting to know someone and figuring out if you're compatible. That's why it's important to be bold and honest with your thoughts, feelings, and expectations. Don't be afraid to share what you want and don't want, and to ask questions that are important to you. This can help to establish clear boundaries and ensure that you're on the same page. It's also a good way to gauge whether or not the person is a good fit for you. 6. Don't hesitate to say no. As a woman, it's important to remember that you have the right to say no. This applies to all aspects of life, including dating. If you're not interested in seeing someone again, don't be afraid to say so. It's better to be honest and upfront than to lead someone on or waste your time. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who respects and values you, and saying no is an important step in finding that person. 7. Compliment in return. When you're on a date, it's natural to want to put your best foot forward and make a good impression. But it's also important to show appreciation and gratitude for the other person. One way to do this is by complimenting in return. When someone gives you a compliment, don't be afraid to say thank you and return the favor. This can help to build mutual respect and appreciation, and can make the date feel more balanced and enjoyable. I hope these tips are helpful in navigating the early stages of dating. Remember to be confident, honest, and open, and to have fun and enjoy the experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.